In our last class we discussed about government's main services. And today our topic is consequences of poor service and why government is unable to provide services. Consequences of poor services. If the services offered by the government are poor, the following will happen. Lack of trust. High cost of living. Ineffective workforce. Disorganization and confusion. Insecurity. Anarchy and frustration. Why government is unable to provide services. People enjoy and get disappointed by some of the government's services because they are either unavailable or they are available but poor. Here are reasons why government unable to provide some services. Increase in population. Insensitivity to people's need, government do not care about what the people need. Corruption. Inadequate planning. Lack of governance culture. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.